Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2012 Holden Commodore SV6 sedan. Stock reference number 4494. This shape runs from the 8th month 2009 through to the 4th month 2013. It has an LFX 3.6 litre V6 petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. LFX 3.6 litre V6 petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, left power door mirror, left hand sill skirt, left front door has one small dent, left rear door appears to have no damage. We have the spare wheel in a 16-inch with a good tyre, left hand tail light, it's got a tidy rear bumper cover, twin exhaust type, boot lid, spoiler tight, appears to have no damage, right tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right hand side skirt. Right rear door has one small dent, right front door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, right guard has a large dent and a small dent, suit good private, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black leather center console lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, dual zone heater controls, factory sat nav CD player, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder typer in black, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor both in black, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.